Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Cash Alive 39. And I just want to give you guys an update. As you know, I've been utilizing and running this program now for about a month, and it's going extremely well. I'm going to tell you exactly what it's all about, what to expect, what to do when you get started so that there's no confusion and you can actually start making money online. The first thing that I want to say is that results are not typical. It's based off of your own efforts. So you may make more than me or less than me, depending on how much you put into the system. One of the things that is very important is that it does take consistency, and you need to have at least an hour to 2 hours per day to utilize the system. Okay. So what are you going to need that time for is basically for running the free ads that you're going to be given. And the thing is that if you want to produce results, you're going to have to take at least an hour to start running the tools that we give you and the traffic that we give you so you can start building momentum within your online business. So what is Cash Alive 39? It's basically a system that's going to teach you how to start driving traffic to your website. And as you drive traffic to your website, you're going to start earning within the online space. Okay. So with the $39 instant payments that you're going to receive, they're 100% payouts that are going to go directly to you when you make your one-time payment of $39. Okay. You're going to get my exclusive traffic generation strategy that I use to get traffic on a daily basis. And then you're going to also get other additional traffic strategies that you can use to start running traffic to this website. This is a one-page website that is really easy to read and easy to understand about what it is that you're going to get when you get started. So you're going to get also this safe list and solo ad buyers that you can use to start getting commissions like these. These are some of my results that I received with this opportunity, but I've also received other payouts that are coming in consistently by using this system. So here is, I'm going to pull up my Stripe account. And listen, guys, you can use Cash App, you can use Zelle, you can use Venmo, you can use Stripe or authorize.net, and you can start having these $39 payouts come to you on a consistent basis. So right here, I have a $39 payment that came in at 5:58 this morning, one at 5:03, 2:41, 12:43, and so forth. Here's on August 23rd, the 22nd, the 22nd and the 21st, all $39 payments. And then I also have some payments that are coming in through Cash App as well. Okay. When you sign up for your website, you're only able to use one payment method per website. So if you want to use more than one payment method, you need to order two websites. So one can be going to your Stripe account, you can have one going to your Cash App account. It's really up to you where you want the payments to go. And as you can see here on the website, it tells you basically the most, payment processors that are used the most when you actually sign up for Cash Live 39. You're going to get the fail-proof Cash Alive 39 fast start instructions, and also the reseller rights to be able to resell this website over and over and over again. Now, again, it's a one-time payment of $39, and then you're going to also have to pay $29.97, which is also a one-time payment for your website. Okay, so with this website, you'll never have to send any manual invoices, no follow-up hassles, no phone calls. You're going to get paid instantly. 100% automated payment collections, set it and forget it. Okay. So as soon as you pay for your website, which is by clicking this button here, you're going to need to send information to this email address. Now, what are you sending over? You're sending over your payment information, proof of payment of the $39 that you paid out to your sponsor, but also you're going to need to send in the name and email used for your website payment. Provide one payment method to collect your $39 payments, your sponsor's name, and then a screenshot that you paid the $39. Now, if you just paid the $29.97 and you don't send in any of these details to this Gmail account, we're not going to know how to set up your website. We cannot set up your website if we don't have your payment details. Now, for Cash App, you could just send in your Cash App ID. For PayPal, you need to go into your back office and send us your PayPal button. That button that's in your back office for your PayPal account is going to allow us to make this button for you so that when people click on it, it's taking them directly to this checkout page where they can put in their card information, their email, and make a payment by just clicking the pay button. Okay. If you just send in a PayPal email address, we're not able to make this button for you. Again, in order to get this PayPal, this button if you have PayPal, we need your PayPal button. Okay, so I'm going to go into PayPal really quick and show you how to get that button. Okay, and mostly all payment processors have a way for you to get a button. The only one that doesn't allow you to do this is Zelle. Okay, for Zelle, there's no such thing as a PayPal button. Okay. So I'm just going to put in my password really quick, and I'm going to show you where to go to get this button, because a lot of people are confused or may not understand how to get a button, and that's very important. Okay. So here, when you get into your account, you can go to, I think it's under send and request. Let's just look here together. Here we go, right here. So under requests, you can share your PayPal.me, right? So if you click on this, this has your PayPal details right here. So all you have to do is just send this information over to me, and I will be able to go ahead and create your website. So this copy link will allow you to get this button so that whenever someone clicks on your button, it's going to take them directly to this page where they can make a payment. Okay. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, what you can also do, and give you another option here, is you can click on more. I believe it's under more. Give me 1 second here. Let's go back here in the summary. Click on more. And then under more, let's see, it's not there here. Hold on 1 second, guys. See, it's under settings. It must be under settings where you can go and you can get your button. Under payments, seller tools, that's where it's at. So under seller tools right here, PayPal buttons, you can go to manage and get your PayPal button. Okay. So right here, it's under seller tools where you can get your PayPal button. Okay. So again, if you're using PayPal, that's where you're going to go so that we can create this button. For Cash App, it will be your Cash App ID. And again, if for Venmo also allows you, they give you a link where you can send out a button, for like a URL link to have your button created. And this is where you want to go to start, to actually start getting your website created. Okay. So again, after you pay the $29.97, please make sure to send your information into this email address so that you can have your website created. Follow these directions here. And then from there, you will have your website done. Give it 24 to 48 hours, business days only, not including weekends, for your website to be created. That's how much time support will need to actually get your link together and make sure that we're setting up your website correctly. It will come back to the same email that you sent when you sent in the instructions to have your website created. All right. So what is $39 payment Cash Alive all about? Earning an income from home, learning how to generate traffic, learning how to get your website out there so that people can start learning how to generate traffic for their business, but not only that, generating traffic for Cash Alive 39. I hope that this video was informative. Thank you so much for viewing this information, and I look forward to working with you. If you want more information, the link is in the description below. Okay, and that's for you to get started. And if you have any questions, I am here to help you. Thanks so much for viewing this video, and have a great day.